everyone. This week there have been a lot of questions on PNP and rightly so too, as studying and living in Canada presents incredible opportunities, but it requires careful decision making to ensure a successful career experience. As you are likely aware by now, Canada's provincial nominee programs, the PNPs, are increasingly popular routes to permanent residency, especially as the federal PR programs become more challenging to access for international students and temporary foreign workers. Well, it's crucial to remember that PR is a privilege based on the labour market needs and not a guaranteed right for temporary residents. Every international student should understand that hard work and the right skill set are key to qualifying for PR. So today's Ed Talk gives you tips on the PNP route to PR as an international student. Here are some key considerations to keep in mind while you study, live and work in Canada while you're looking at a prospective PNP route to PR. Point number 1, academic focus. Choose a program of study that aligns with in-demand occupations in the province where you want to settle. Now, this can increase your chances of receiving a PNP nomination. Additionally, take advantage of academic resources in your DLI such as tutoring centers and study groups to excel in your grades. Now, completing your Canadian qualification is the first step. Point number 2, work experience. Seek part-time jobs or internships related to your field of study to gain valuable work experience. Utilize your campus career center for job center assistance and resume building. When exploring job opportunities in different provinces, ensure you work with licensed consultants and verify the legitimacy of your job offers. It's crucial to remember that buying a job offer with a positive LMIA could jeopardize your immigration status and of course make you poorer by $40,000 to $50,000. Point number 3, language skills. Enhance your English or French proficiency to improve communication skills and broaden your job prospects. Focus on maximizing your language proficiency points and consider investing time and resources into learning French for an added advantage. Point number 4, community engagement. Now, during your studies, engage in campus clubs, organizations, and community activities to build a support network and create lasting connections. Volunteering can provide valuable experience and help in integrating into the local community. Consider settling in rural areas or smaller communities as there is a growing preference for nominations in these areas, potentially increasing your chances of a successful provincial nomination. Point number 5, show commitment to the province. Understand that PNPs require a commitment to live and work in the nominating province with the goal of contributing to the local economy and community. So choose to study at a public DLI and live and work in the same province to show your roots and commitment there. Now, point number 6, seek professional assistance. Always work with professionals who have both experience and integrity. Regulated Canadian immigration consultants are authorized and regulated by the College of Immigration and Citizenship Consultants, CICC, to provide advice and representation on Canadian immigration matters. And remember, a guaranteed nomination does not exist. So don't get scammed by ads that claim so. So keep today's points in mind as you navigate your study, living and work through to the PNP process. And while you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all our socials, we wish you all the good luck on this journey to permanent residency in Canada. Thank you and see you soon.